If you want to know the easiest way to clean your tub and shower, keep watching, because in this video, I'm taking on what could be the grimiest job in the bathroom. If you're new to my channel, I'm Denise Jordan, and I teach women to make wise home health and beauty decisions. So if you want to learn more about running a household, subscribe. And tap that little bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. I was watching a video on the Grove Collaborative's website, and they were showing a technique that was guaranteed to take the elbow grease out of cleaning the tub and shower. My first thought was, I'd like to try that. And here's the thing, I had everything I needed to do it right here already. The Grove Collaborative Cleaning Essentials Kit, the 16-ounce spray bottle, a Grove Collaborative walnut sponge, a Grove Collaborative microfiber towel, and of course the Grove Collaborative caddy. So I had everything I needed to work with right here already. So I thought I could do that. My second thought was that they got it all done in less than a minute. Now what I mean by that is that the video itself was about 1 minute long. Now that is some pretty tight editing, and I thought it would be fun to see if I could do both. Clean my tub and shower without using a whole lot of elbow grease and get my video down to less than 1 minute. I also thought it would be fun to replicate the video for my audience. Have you ever had that thought? Have you ever been watching TV or YouTube and you saw something and you said, I'd like to try that, or I can do that? Because that's where I was. I was like, I can do that, and it shouldn't be too hard. Now to use the concentrate is pretty easy. Just take it out of the box, twist the little tip off right here, twist that off, and then you squirt it into a glass bottle, and this particular spray bottle came from the Grove Collaborative. You fill it up with 16 ounces of water, give it a good shake, and you're ready to go. And as you can see, I've used this several times already. Okay, let's clean the bathtub and shower. Well, what did you think? I did manage to get the video editing of the cleaning process down to 59 seconds, and I think I got in all the details. So what are your thoughts? Did I miss anything, or is there something you wish was a little clearer? Tell me in the comment section below. So I sprayed down the tub and the shower surround with the tub and towel cleaner, and then I used the walnut sponge on that, and the surround cleaned up pretty nicely, just very easily. And then I sprinkled the Comet on in the tub after I had already sprayed it with the tub and towel cleaner, and I did let it sit for 3 minutes. Now I didn't show that, but I did put a little note on the screen that I let it sit for 3 minutes, and then I washed it out with the sponge, and I didn't have to use any elbow grease at all. It really cleaned out very easily, and it rinsed out quite nicely. And then once I was done with that, I dried it all up with the microfiber cloth. And that was one of the really important pieces, because using the microfiber cloth helped to get rid of any spots. So there was no spots on the tub, on the tile, or on the hardware. So overall, I say the technique was a winner. I got my tub and tile cleaned without any problem at all, and I didn't have to use a whole lot of elbow grease. What are your thoughts? How do you think the technique worked? Tell me in the comment section below. And I will link the Grove Collaborative's video, the Clean Minute, below so that you can check it out. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. I would love to have you as a member of the TNT community. And let me know if you want to see more videos like this one, more 1-minute cleans. It was really a lot of fun trying to do this video, trying to replicate the Grove Collaborative's video, and then to get my editing down to 1 minute on the cleaning process. So let me know if you want to see me do more things like that. And if you have any babies in your family, I put up several videos about the Fisher-Price infant sleeper recall. And this is where their Rock and Play sleeper was linked to 32 infant deaths. And then hard on the heels of that recall, Kids too recalled all of its rocking sleepers because they had 5 infant deaths associated with their rocking sleepers. So please, take a look at the videos that I posted that's explaining the situation and giving you all the what's what that you need to know to keep your little ones safe. I would hate for there to be a tragedy in any family because they didn't have accurate information. And no, I'm not being melodramatic. I'm just wearing my community nurse hat right now. Okay, I'll stop there. So this is Denise Jordan saying goodbye. I will see you in the next video.